exercise 14.1 we are going to discuss. Before that, let us have an introduction on what is factorization. We know that 2 into 3. What is 2 into 3? Yes, it is 6. That means 2 and 3 are factors of 6. Another example, what is 2 into 3 into 5? It is 30. What does that mean? 2, 3 and 5 are factors of 30. That means any number or algebraic expression can be expressed as the product of its factors. Is it? The process of splitting a number or expression as product of its factors is called factorization. So 6, 2 into 3, I am able to write. Or 1 into 6 also I can write. 30, I can write it as 5 into 6 or 2 into 3 into 5. Prime factors means 2 into 3 into 5 will come. So that way of splitting a number or expression as product of its factors, that is called factorization. Now let us discuss more about the factorization of algebraic expression. Simply how we can explain that, just see. Factorization is the reverse process of expansion of algebraic expression. You already have learned algebraic expression, how to expand, that already learned the identity and all. This is the reverse of that. Let us see. For example, a into x plus y. A into x plus y is an algebraic expression. You are expanding it by opening the bracket. So you will get ax plus ay. This is algebraic expression expansion. So this is the expansion of algebraic expression by opening the bracket. Now let us think of the reverse. Ax plus ay equal to a into in bracket x plus y. So what we have done here? Ax plus ay in both the term a is common. We have taken that common factor out and we have put that x plus y in the bracket. So this is factorizing the expression ax plus ay by taking the common factor a out and writing the expression ax plus ay as product of its factors a and x plus y. A is a factor, x plus y another factor, and their product is ax plus ay. I hope you understood what the difference between the expansion of algebraic expression and factorization of algebraic expression. Now let us go to exercise 14.1. First question, there are 8 subdivisions are there. Quite easy questions here. We need to find common factor. We know how to find common factor of numbers. This is it. The same way. So question 1, 12x and 36. First of all, 12 is the coefficient of variable term coefficient and 36 is the constant. Both are numbers. So first what we have to do is to find the HCF of these numbers. That is HCF of 12 and 36, which is 12. Because 36 is a multiple of 12. So when one number is a multiple of other, that number will be the HCF. So 12 is the HCF and x is there only in one term. So x is not common. Only 12 is the common factor. So common factor is 12. Now question 2, 2y, 22xy. So first we have to take the HCF of the coefficient. So 2 and 22 coefficient, their HCF is 2. And in both the term, we can see y here. So y also common. So common factors, what is the common factor then? 2 and y. So 2y is the common factor. Next 14pq, 28p square q square. So 14 and 28, what is the HCF? Again 14 because 28 is a multiple of 14. So 14 is the HCF. In both the term you can see PQ. Here also PQ, here also PQ, but here power P square, Q square. So whenever we take common factor of an expression or variable, we have to take the lowest power. Both the term you have P. So the lowest power, which is that we have to take as the common. So P is common. Similarly, Q is common. So PQ is common in both terms. So the common factors 14, PQ is common factor. Question number 4, 2x, 3x square, 4. What is the HCF 2, 3, 4? They are consecutive numbers. So no common factor. So HCF is 1. And variable x only in 2 terms. So x is not a common factor. So what is the common factor? 1. Common factor of these 3 terms is 1. Now let us move on to question number 5. 6abc, 24ab square, 12a square b. So first find the HCF of 6, 24, 12. Very easy because 24 and 12 are multiples of 6. So 6 is the HCF. Now look into the variable term. A everywhere is there. B also there. C is not there. So A and B we can take the smallest power. So A we can take, B we can take. So AB is common in all terms. So the common factor 6AB. Question 6. Okay, let us first take the common factor HCF of 16, 4, 32. All are multiples of 4. So 4 is the HCF. All the terms we have x. So as I told you, the smallest power of x to be the highest common factor. So x, because x cube there, x square there, x is there. So power lowest power is x raised to 1. So x is common. So the common factor 4x. Seventh one, 10pq, 20qr, 30rp. So 10, 20, 30. Yes, it is 10 is the HCF. Now see the variable P. P is there in only 2 terms. Q also there in 2 terms only. R also in 2 terms. So there is no variable common in all the 3 terms. So variable term, no common variable term there. Variable is there. So only 10 is the common factor of these 3 terms. Question number 8. 3x square y cube, 10x cube y square, 6x square y square is it. So here the HCF of 3, 10, 6. There is no common divisor. 3 and 6 is divisible by 3, 10 and 6 is divisible by 2. But 3, 10, 6, if you take 3 numbers together, 1 is the HCF. And now let us see the variables. X. Here first term you have x square, here x cube, again here x square. So the common smallest power of x is x square. So x square is common, then y, here y cube, y square, y square. So the smallest power of y, y square. And z is not common. So x square, y square is common in all terms. X square and y square. So the common factor, it will be 1 into x square y square, or we can take it as x square y square. Now question number 2. Question 2. Factorize the expressions. Question number 1. 7x minus 42. So, for 7 is a prime number. 42 is a multiple of 7, is it? So, I can write it as 7x minus 7 into 6. So, in both the terms, 7 is common. So, 7 I can take as common factor out. Put the bracket. And what is left here when 7 is taken out? Then only x is here. Then the sign it is minus. Let's put minus. Now here 7 is common. So what is left here? 6. Close the bracket. So that is the factorization. 7x minus 42 is equal to 7 into x minus 6. Question 2. 6p minus 12q. So here also 12 is a multiple of 6. So you can write it as 6 into 2. 6p minus 6 into 2 into q. 6 is common. So take the common out. So what will be inside? When you take the 6 outside, then here p minus here 2q. So 6 into p minus 2q. Question number 3. 7a square plus 14a. Now 14, 7 into 2 is 14. So when I split here 7 into a, 14, 7 into 2 into a. So 7a, here also 7a. So what is common? Common factor is 7a. Take it out. So 7a, then when 7a gone, what is left here? A. Second term, what is left? 2. So 7a into a plus 2. Question 4. Minus 6z plus 20z cube. So HCF of 16 and 20. That is the highest common factor we have to take. HCF of 16 and 20 is 4. So we have to take 4 out. And variable Z is also common factor. So common factor is 4z. So 4z we have to take out. So 4z have to take out. Then when you take 4z, what will be left in the first term? 4 into 4, 16. Here 4 into 5, 20. So let us see what will happen. So 4z common. So minus 16. 4 into 4 is minus 4 is minus 16. So minus 4 has come here. Plus 4 into 5, 20. Here z cube. Z is common. So 1 Z came out. So how many Z will remain here in the power? 2Z. So Z square. So 4Z into minus 4 plus 5Z square. Verify. 4 into 4Z into minus 4. Minus 16Z. 4Z into 5Z square multiply. You will get 20Z cube. Verify. Now if you want, this is the final answer. If you want, you can rewrite by writing the positive term first and the negative term second. That way you can write if you want, not compulsory if you want. Okay. Now we will go to the next question. Question number 5. 20L square M plus 30 ALM. So L and M are common, you can see. And what is the HCF of 20 and 30? It is 10. So what is the common factor then? 10 LM. So 10 LM we have to take out. So what will left in each term? 10 LM. So here 10 into 2, 20. So that 2. L square, 1 L has come out. So 1 L. M already common factor. So 2L plus 30. 10 into 3, that 3. And LM has come out. So A is left there. So 10 LM into 2L plus 3A. Question 6. 5x square y minus 15xy square. So HCF of 5 and 15 is equal to 5. Now, here x square, here x. So x is common. Here y square. So y is common. So xy. So 5xy is the common factor we have to take out. So take it out and put the remaining in the bracket. So when 5xy is taken out, x will remain there, minus 5 into 3, 15. So 3x has come out, then y square, 1y is here, so 1y inside. So 5xy into x minus 3y. Seventh one, 10a square minus 15b square plus 20c square. So HCF of 10, 15, 20 is 5. And variable nothing common, a, b, c, only one term it is there. So that is not common. So only 5 is common factor. So take the 5 out. So 5 into 2, 10. So 2a square minus 5 into 3, 15. So 3b square plus 5 into 4, 20. So 4c square. Hope you understood. Shall we go to the next question? That is question number 8, 9, 10. Okay, question number 8. Minus 4a square plus 4ab minus 4ca. Very easy, 4 is common in all. Then a also common. So common factor 4a. So when we take the 4a out, here 1a, that is minus a. Here b will left, minus 4a gone, so c will left. So 4a into minus a plus b minus c. Ninth one, x square yz plus xy square z plus xyz square. So what is common? X, smallest power of x only, y there, then z also there. So xyz is the common factor. So let us take that out. So what all will left in each term? First term 1x will left, second term 1y, and third term 1z. So xyz into x plus y plus z. 10th one, ax square y plus bxy square plus cxyz. So x is there in all the term. Yes. Y also there in all the term. That's all. So xy is the common. So common factor take out. So in the first term what will remain? One x and y has come. So a is there, 1x is there. Second term b and 1y is there. And the third term xy is common. So c and z. So xy into ax plus by plus cz. So I hope you understood how to factorize. It is very simple. You just have to take the common factors out. But the numerical as well as the variable common factor you have to take out. Then HCF you have the numbers, the HCF you have to take out. And the variable means the smallest power common. Then whatever left in each term that you have to write inside. Now move on to question number 3. Again factorize. X square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. 4 terms are there. But when we see nothing common. X is there but only in 3 terms. Y is there only in 2 terms. 8 is there only in 2 terms. So there is nothing common in all the 4 terms. So what can be done? But 2 terms if you take, we can get common factor, is it? 8 is common in 3rd and 4th term. X is common in 1st and 2nd term. Or if you take x square and 8x, there x is common. If you take xy and 8y, then y is common. So 2 terms there are common. So let us split it into 2 group. So x square plus xy, one group, 8x plus 8y, another group. Now first group let us factorize. There, x square and xy, what is common? X is common, is it? So let us take that common factor out. So what we will get, x into x plus y. Now here it is plus, that plus we have to write. Now in the third and fourth term, 8 is common. So let us take the common factor out there. So 8 into x plus y. Now it has become 2 terms now. Initially there were 4 terms. We factorized it and now we have 2 terms. In these 2 terms, it is clear that x plus y is common in both. So let us take that out again. So x plus y is common. Common factor is x plus y. Let us take it out. So what will be left in the first term? X. Second term, 8. So that we have to write. So from here x, then here it is plus, then 8. So x plus y into x plus 8. Second question. 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. So here also there is nothing common in all the 4 terms, so we have to split. So splitting you can do in any way you like, no problem. Here if you take the first and second, 15 and 6, 3 is the HCF, x also common. But 5y minus 2 there is nothing common. Okay. Otherwise you can take 15xy and 5y together you can take, so that 5 is HCF and y is common, and this 6x and 2 if you take together, 2 is common there. So you can arrange in any way. So here I am taking first 2 terms, last 2 terms. Okay. So first 2 terms, what is common? What is the HCF of 15 and 6? It is 3 and x also common. So the common factor is 3x. Take that out. So what will you get? 3x has taken out. So 3 into 5, 15. That 5 here. X has come out. Then y remains there. So y, 5y. Minus. Then x has come out. 3 into 2 is 6. So 2. So 5y minus 2. Now plus the nothing common. So we just have to write it is 5y minus 2. Let us write and we'll put it in the bracket. Now both the term, what is common now? Is 5y minus 2 is common in both. So take that out. 5y minus 2 is common. So take out. So what is left out in the first term? 3x. What about the second term? What is left out there? 5y minus 2, that we have taken out. So what is the remaining? 1. 1 is remaining there, is no. So 5y minus 2 into 3x plus 1. Now the next one. Let us move on to the next questions. The question number 3, next, third, 4, 5. Third, ax plus bx minus ay minus by. Okay, you can group first and second, I can group third and fourth, I can group, or you can do first and third, second and fourth, that way also you can do. Okay, so first 2 terms x is common. So let us take the common factor out. So x into a plus b. Now minus, here it is minus, no, so minus. Here y is common. But here you have to remember very important fact. That is minus, then I took the y out and I put the bracket. That means minus is out. So the sign will change inside. You cannot write a minus b. This minus will become plus. Very, very important fact it is. Whenever minus is taken out and you are putting bracket, inside the sign will change. So check it. Minus y into a minus ay. Minus y into b minus by. So that you have to take care, otherwise it will go wrong. Now both the term, now you have a plus b common. Is it a plus b common? So that take out. So what is left there? X minus y. Next question. 15pq plus 15 plus 9q plus 25p. So here first two terms we have common. 15 is common, but third and fourth term nothing is common. So what I will do is I will do a little rearrangement here. 9q I changed, replaced here, and 15 I replaced here. Okay, a small rearrangement I have done. Now first two terms, last two terms. So 15pq, 9q. Q is common. Then 15 and 9 HCF is what? 3. But 3q is common factor. Is it? To take the 3q out. So what we will get here? 3 into 5, 15. Then q has taken out. So p is there. So 5p plus. Then 9q. Q is there. 3 into 3, 9. So 3. Now here it is plus. So that plus we have to write. Now what is common there? 5. So take 5 out. So 5 into 3, 15. Then 5 into 5p, 25p. So 5p plus 3, 3 plus 5p, both are same, no? Addition commutative, you know that addition is commutative, a plus b equal to b plus a. So 5p plus 3 is the same as 3 plus 5p, but if you want, you can rearrange and write it as, once again, let us write it as 5 into 5p plus 3, rearrange. Now 5p plus 3 is common in both. Take it out. So what will be left? 3q plus 5. That's all. And the last one. Z minus 7 plus 7xy minus xyz. So first two term nothing common, but the last two terms we have xy common. Okay. So I am going to take it that way. If you want, you can take the first and last term together. Z will be common and this 2, 7 will be common. That way also we can do. Okay. So here I am taking the first two together, last two together. So first two term nothing common. You just have to write it as it is. That's all. Z minus 7, Z minus 7. Okay. Then plus. Here 7xy is common, is it? So 7xy. Sorry, not 7xy, xy common. Xy is common. So when you take xy common, 7 minus z. But some problem is there. Did you understand what is the problem? Z minus 7 and 7 minus z are not equal because subtraction is not commutative. So we cannot say z minus 7 is equal to 7 minus z. That is not possible. So how we will factorize this? We want both of same. So here also we need z minus 7. How can you make? I cannot simply make it z minus 7, change the sign, not possible. I can. Then this plus will become minus. That is, let me take the minus out. I'll make this minus. So as I told you, whenever minus is outside, inside the sign will change. So 7 will become minus 7. Z minus Z will become plus Z. Minus 7 plus Z it will come. Or I can write it as Z minus 7. See? Z minus 7 plus minus xy into Z minus 7. So now you have Z minus 7 in common. So take it out. So what is left? 1 there, here xy. So 1 minus xy. So here easily you can find out, because in first term, if you get after getting the common factor what is in the bracket, the same thing you have to get in the next term also. So looking that is the clue for you. That will come here also. Then only you can take again the common factor. No. So that is the easy way to do. And I hope you all understood this factorization. And let us discuss exercise 14.2 in the next video. Till then, thank you. Bye.